Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, pollster Don Anderson says the preliminary outcome of the local government election is consistent with the results of the latest RJRGleaner commissioned poll.
Now, the head of Market Research Services Limited says the absence of a clear winner in yesterday's local government election is unsurprising. The survey showed the two main parties locked in a statistical dead heat, with 24% of those surveyed saying they would be voting for the JLP and 23% indicating that they would vote for the PNP.
In November, when we did the poll, the Jamaica Labour Party was 1 percentage point ahead. That's 2 months ago. When we repeated that study between the 2nd and the 7th of February, it was the same 1 percentage point, and therefore that hadn't moved. And that's well within the margin of error of plus or minus 3 percentage points. The outcome on the basis of the preliminary reports so far received suggests that that is within 1% of the overall performance, and therefore it is consistent with what took place yesterday in the actual voting. So I would like to say that the company that I run, we're very pleased and very proud that we have been able to again identify the likely outcome of an election, and that the data that we generated is very consistent with the outcome of the election based on the preliminary report so far. But even if there are 1 or 2 changes in the seat count or whatever, that will not move it from outside of that 1 percentage point difference that we identified in the last 2 polls.